Here's my food. This is a good, like, up close. Oh, yeah, that's aesthetic. No, it's not, but whatever. Anyway, so my mom made this is chicken, peas, and then marinara and Alfredo sauce, just like you guys know I love. And then I just put some red pepper flakes. Like, doesn't that look good? Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be so good. Gotta get those peas. I'm not gonna lie, but I know this is thin slice, it's just what we get, but that looks so good. I want it with the pasta. I'm surprised nothing has fallen yet, but yummy.